Hello everyone, how are you? Today we learn about some animal name. Oh no, where goes the all animal? Can you help me guys to find them? Okay, let's start. Now we have some glass. Let's see. In first glass, it's a pink color. Oh wow, it has a slime of pink color. But here not find any animal. Let's see green glass. Here is slime but not find any animal. Let's see sky blue glass. It's empty. Let's see purple glass. Oh wow, here's something. Let's find here our animal. We got a panda. Where we should put panda? Right here. Good job. Wow, it's a beautiful crane machine. Wow, in yellow color. Let's find here our next animal. Here we got a bear. It's a bear. Where we should put bear? Right here. Good job. Now we have some shape. It's a square, triangle, rectangle, some circle, and now we got another animal. It's a lion. It's a lion. Let's put lion right here. Now we have a grocery basket. Let's check it. What is inside? Capsicum, pumpkin, green pepper, red chili, cabbage, and got here another animal. It's a elephant. Where we should put elephant? Here? No. Here? Uh-oh. Right here? Yes. Let's put here. Good job. Wow guys, look at this. Now we have some alphabet. It's a letter G, B, W, F. Great! We got a giraffe from here. Where we should put giraffe? Here? No. Here? Oh yes! It's the right place for that. Hey guys, now we have a beautiful red color house. It's so beautiful. Let's open the door. First ring the bell and open something inside. Let's find. Oh great, we got a tiger. It's a tiger. Let's put right here. Good job, well done. Wow guys, now we have a sand clay. It's a purple color. Very beautiful. Wow. Let's find here next animal. Got it. It's a zebra. It's a zebra. Where we should put? Right here. Wow, we have a beautiful rainbow spring. Oh, so much fun. Nice, something inside. Great. We got a rhinoceros. Let's put rhinoceros right here. Well done. Wow guys, we have a slimes in different color. Let's check first purple. Oh, looking so beautiful. Wow. Next red. But here not find any animal. Next is pink. Wow, it's so beautiful. Let's green one. Oh, great! We got an animal. It's a hippopotamus. Where we should put hippopotamus? Right here. Well done. Wow, it's a beautiful white ball. Let's find here another animal. It's a crocodile. Where we should put crocodile? Only one place left. Right here. One more time. It's a bear. It's a panda. It's a lion. Elephant. Giraffe. Tiger. Zebra. Hippopotamus. It's a rhinoceros and crocodile. Hey guys, now we have some other pieces. Let's join them and see. And this way. Yeah, make it. Now this piece, join them together. Can you tell me what is this? It's a sheep. Let's join some other pieces this way, because here is also lower part, and here let's join. Yeah, good. Guess what is this? Please tell me what is this? It's a delivery van. Let's join other. Guys, now assemble these part in this way. Think about what is this. Please tell me what is this. It's a beautiful red color car. Yes. Hey kids, let's join these pieces and make a vehicle. Guess what is this? Please tell me what is the vehicle name. And we join. Yeah. Please tell me what is this vehicle name? It's a scooter. It's a ship, delivery van, car and scooter. Hey guys, bye bye. Meet you soon in next video. Don't forget like the video and subscribe our channel. Bye bye kids.